In the field of computer vision, object segmentation plays a vital role in various applications such as autonomous driving, medical imaging, and video surveillance. Annotated datasets are crucial for training accurate object segmentation models. However, annotation can be a costly and time-consuming process, especially when dealing with large-scale datasets. In this tutorial, we will explore annotation strategies specifically designed for object segmentation tasks. 1. Traditional annotation techniques. Polygon annotation. One of the most commonly used techniques for object segmentation is polygon annotation. Annotators manually draw polygons around objects of interest, creating precise boundaries for segmentation. This technique requires expertise and can be time-consuming. Scribble annotation. Scribble annotation allows annotators to mark object boundaries by scribbling strokes on the object regions. These strokes provide approximate outlines for segmentation. Scribble annotation is relatively faster than polygon annotation but may lead to less accurate segmentation. 2. Weakly supervised annotation techniques. Bounding box annotation. In cases where precise segmentation is not required, bounding box annotation can be a cost-effective alternative. Instead of segmenting each object pixel, annotators draw rectangular boxes around the objects. This technique provides a rough estimate of the object's location but lacks detailed segmentation. Point annotation. Point annotation involves marking a few representative points inside the object region. These points act as guidance for the segmentation model. Point annotation provides a balance between annotation effort and segmentation accuracy. 3. Active learning techniques. Active learning techniques leverage the annotation process to improve model performance. By actively selecting the most informative samples, these techniques aim to reduce annotation efforts while maintaining high-quality annotations. Here are some active learning strategies specifically designed for object segmentation tasks. Uncertainty sampling. Uncertainty sampling selects samples that are difficult for the model to label confidently. For object segmentation, uncertainty can be measured by the model's prediction uncertainty within the object region. Annotating these uncertain samples enhances the model's understanding of challenging cases. Diversity sampling. Diversity sampling focuses on selecting diverse samples that cover a wide range of object variations. This strategy helps to avoid biased or redundant annotations. For object segmentation, selecting samples with varying object sizes, shapes, and appearances can improve the model's generalization capability. Query by committee. Query by committee, QBC, is a technique that involves training multiple models with different initializations or architectures. During annotation, the model with the highest disagreement among the committee members is selected for annotation. This strategy helps to address the model's uncertainty and leads to more reliable annotations. 4. Semi-supervised annotation techniques. Semi-supervised annotation techniques utilize a combination of labeled and unlabeled data. These strategies aim to reduce annotation efforts by leveraging the knowledge embedded in unlabeled data. Here are two common semi-supervised annotation techniques. Self-training. Self-training starts with a model trained on a small set of labeled data. The trained model is then used to annotate unlabeled data, which is subsequently added to the training set. This iterative process continues until convergence. Self-training can improve object segmentation by leveraging the model's established knowledge. Co-training. Co-training is an extension of self-training that involves training multiple models with different views of the data. Each model is trained on a different subset of features or samples. The models then exchange their predictions on unlabeled data and retrain iteratively. Co-training helps to reduce the risk of overfitting and improve segmentation performance. In conclusion, object segmentation annotation strategies range from traditional manual techniques to active learning and semi-supervised techniques. The choice of annotation strategy depends on the task requirements, available resources, and the desired balance between annotation effort and segmentation accuracy. By exploring and implementing these strategies, practitioners can effectively annotate datasets for object segmentation tasks.